Yes, very good morning to all GCETians. I hope that you all are safe and well, and almost, except only few levels, all students' exam is over. So very good and warm morning to everyone. Now, as we all know that from 22nd June onwards, we started the teaching learning activities on the campus, and almost after 8 weeks, we decided to have the midsem exams. And I'm very sure that all teachers have taken care for drafting the right paper through online platform because it is a different mode of conducting exams. So we have not encountered any major concern, major issues from the student fraternity during the exam. So we all are very happy to see that it has been conveyed in a right way and it has been executed with the good efforts put up by all IT team of our IT and computer departments. And even see after exams, suppose if we consider the total length of the teaching learning activities, then it is almost more than 9 weeks, right? So it's a long time. And in this pandemic, we are doing everything through online activities, through online platforms. So we feel that if we continue the same online teaching learning activities immediately after exams, it may create some of the issues with you. You may get bored, right? And we got many feedback from parents, from students about executing some alternative means of industrial visits, alternative means of doing cultural and other allied activities. So we at GSET, we have decided to execute some transform domain kind of activities for all the students from 1st September to 15th September. So in the first 2 weeks of September, we all are connected through Microsoft Teams again, but that connection is not for the normal lectures, it is not for the normal lab activities, but it is for something different, right? We have planned this series of activities, like we have planned for the cultural events. Our cultural team from GSET will perform some of the cultural activities. Even we invite students of current batch, of the recent pass out batch, to perform some of the skill set what they have, right? Along with that, even departments are planning to create some of the mini tech fest. We call some of the spiritual leaders, we call some of the yoga leaders, yoga gurus, who can talk about some of the basic requirements for making our life healthy and happy. Even we do organize some of the activities for delivering talk on the life skills, right? Even departments are planning to conduct some events where you can play games, right? Online games. So there are many activities which are planned by institute, and all the activities are basically keep you engaged to learn something, because GSET and our management always believes that the engineering studies is not only about to learn in classroom and in laboratories. The engineering studies is about to develop skill set, right? And normally skill set can be developed provided you have overall development, and for the overall development it is very necessary that along with studies you will do the all allied activities, right? So in the next week, in from 1st September onwards, there are certain activities like virtual industrial visits by departments, where we'll bring you to industries, and industry person will deliver talk. They will show you the industries in form of videos, in form of the live streamings, in form of pictures. Then even we have planned mini tech fest. Some departments will do some tech fest locally, like coding competitions, the circuit drafting competitions and stuff like that. Mechatronics, mechanical department may do some activities for CAD/CAM design and competitions like that. Even we encourage in some of the events where there is a competition, we encourage you by giving you prizes. So all prizes are like a virtual prize right now, but when you will be on campus, all the prizes are pending for you, and we do organize one small event to just encourage and to appreciate your efforts by encouraging you, by giving some small token of love from our end. So do participate actively in all the activities and keep learning going on for next 2 weeks. And if you do that, definitely you will add on one extra feather in your cap of learning cycle, because as I said earlier, learning is not about to learn through classes in laboratories. Learning is about to have some more skill sets within you. And exclusively for fourth year students, those who are in 7th semester, for them we do some activities where we call some of the HR experts, we call some of the trainers to make you to understand the industrial requirements, and they try to give you some directions by which you will become the employable graduates, right? So there are a series of activities we have planned, and all the activities are mostly conducted through Microsoft Teams platform only, right? So be connected, be active participants in the all events, And I'm very sure that if you actively participate in all the events, you feel happy, and definitely you will like you have the transform domain kind of activities, so you don't get bored, and again you will be ready for learning the next phase of your theories and laboratories after 15th of September. So I hope that you all are well. Do follow all the do's and don'ts of this COVID-19 problems, right? Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your health, and see you soon on the campus. Thank you. Thank you all.